can I get suggestion from you? So they asked me like if you went like this, they give us some links as such on like this, and you can find some methods and you can do it by yourself. But some people don't talk like that. And also, you are so kind, as I know.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, you share everything you know.
Thank you so much. I'm
Yes,
trying
actually,
always
yeah,
to help others.
actually, the person who work in social media or expert of advertiser. So we need to share everything. We need to guideline the person who need helps from others like this. I as I understand, but most of people doesn't give correct answer. They keep like this. They give us some just introduction, and you can find that's a good idea. But if they went, we have to guide that like this that you can go this way. I I understand like this.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your
Yeah.
good comment for me. Actually, I'm trying always help others. You can,
Yes, and also nowadays, most of people ask to use Google Ad Manager. Get it gets lots of traffic from Google Ad Manager.
sorry.
Uh, from Google ADX, Google Ad Manager.
Yeah,
That is Google Ascent to Google ADX can use together, can join together.
together. But actually, we are right now some working for others. Like already you can see. So I have some project that's why I can't use in
Yeah.
together. But if you have any issue and problem, you can tell me when I free and we are talking no problem. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And also, do you need, do you no need, do you have a relative on the other person? You can recommend me for this service, hopefully. Okay. So, hopefully are you satisfied, right?
What?
Hopefully, are you
Oh, yeah,
satisfied?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Thanks for giving me time, sir.
okay, okay. Thank you so much. So, take care. See you
Yes,
again.
sir.
And
By the way, where are you from?
actually, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah, yes. So I'm from Myanmar, but I live in Thailand.
Oh, I understand. I understand.
Yeah,
Thank you, thank you, thank
yeah.
you.
Thank
So
you, sir.
actually, today meeting is very good for us. I think I really appreciate, and I'm feeling so better for this meeting because your talking is good and your mind is and thinking is unique. That's why you're salute boss.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
So try
Thank you.
to continue this.
Yes,
Hopefully, you get a good, achieve your goal. Okay.
yes. I'm every day I'm searching on YouTube or on Google. Every
I understand. I
new
understand
method
because
and yeah.
when I see your work and your mentality, your uniqueness, this awesome. This awesome.
Yes, thank you, sir. You too.
Okay. Take care. Okay.
Yes, sir. You too, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.